You know, the old saying's true, you get what you pay for. I try to save money and I bought a vlog camera. I promised 4K, slow motion. It was terrible. As soon as you shut it off, you had to start all over again with your settings every single time. So, but that doesn't mean if you're going to buy a more expensive camera, it's that much more expensive. The camera was $400. That was junk. Luckily, I was able to send it back. Then I realized you can get a decent camera for just a little bit more that is everything it says it is. So that's what we'll be going over in this show, and I'm very excited to bring it to you because I know there's a lot of people out there in my situation. This video is not sponsored. I bought the new Canon M50. It has a 24.1 megapixel sensor with ISO, 4K UHD, 24p and HD 120p for slow motion, built-in OLED EVF with touch and drag AF, 5-axis image stabilization during movie shooting, combination IS. In the box you get a digital EOS M50 Canon camera, 1 zoom lens, 45mm, neck strap, battery charger, battery pack. I also purchased the Power Extra 2-pack LP-E12 replacement battery with smart LCD dual USB charger. Please use our affiliate link below to help support our channel. I want to thank you very much for tuning into my channel. If you'd like to purchase any of the products that are in this episode, please use our affiliate link below to help support our channel. I guess what it does, it narrows down to what you feel comfortable with and what your budget is. So many choices, so many possibilities. I hope my choice might help you. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button.